are going on an adventure. Charlie and I are going for a Mummy Charlie Day. Alright, so Charlie and I are going to have a coffee, lunch, brunch date with one of my best friends and her little girl. So I probably won't film a lot because I'm not here to put other people's babies on the internet. But yeah, should be fun. Alrighty. We are off. Are we going back to the car? Yes, we are. You had a beautiful time, didn't you? Oh, you're so bloody cute. Alrighty, it is a few hours later. We are back in the car. Little man is having a bottle just before we leave. It was a really beautiful lunch. It was nice to just get to sit and talk, and the two kids were crawling around chasing each other. It was really, really wholesome. Yeah, it was. It was. And then we did some shopping. Yeah, it's just been a really lovely time. Really good company. Like, this is a girl I've been friends with since we were in grade 5. So what does that make us? 10, 11? And now we get to sit and have our babies play together. It's really, really heartwarming. So, yeah, a morning well spent. What are you doing? You're not actually even eating. Hey. Hey. Hello again, all. Okay. It has been a lovely afternoon at home. I'm now going to feed the puppies. Come on. Good girls. Alrighty. Okay. Okie dokie. So we've had a beautiful afternoon. I've been FaceTiming and chatting with family. Charlie's been playing. Just fed the dogs. Hoping to come out and feed the birds. I'm a little bit concerned about our birds because since Tim left, they're not really showing up for their usual feeding time. So I don't know what's going on there. We're all here to feed the masses and they're not here. I don't know if it was a storm the other day or just the fact that spring is when they kind of nestle into their little nests. No. I don't know. I guess I'll try again later. Anyway, I hope everyone's had a beautiful day so far. I hope Timmy's had a good time. He did call me before and let me know he was heading to a karaoke bar with some people from work. So that sounds like a pretty good time to me. Anyway, I will try again in a couple hours to see if anyone shows up for some food, but I don't know. I'll check in then. Bye. Alrighty, it is about 30-40 minutes later. They have spotted some ducks. Now, do ducks eat meat? No clue whatsoever. But I will check out the meat for the normal birds. And then I think I'll give them some seed because I haven't seen them in a hot second. Ducks. My duckies. I love my duckies. I can already see some kookaburras. So that's good. That's better than yesterday. Hey! Hi! Come on. Hell yeah! Come out, my friends! For some reason, the willy wagtails have been targeting that kookaburra. I don't know why. Come on, guys! Come on! Turkey. Oh, all my friends today. Alright, You've got loose meat scraps now. Friends. Hey, little dude. I put the meat over there. You can get it. I believe in you. More friends. Hi, beautiful creatures. See, look, why is it harassing it? It's not nice. Oh, there's two of them. Oi! Oi! Poor thing. Alright, back to the ducks. I don't even know if... Oh, don't run away. I'm getting you food. I'm getting you food. Come on. Look. Food. Please. Please love me. A few weeks ago, you can literally go back and look at the footage. We had like 4 or 5 ducks a day, 5 bush turkeys. We had the guinea fowl, we had pigeons, and now I'm struggling to get these 2 ducks to pay attention to me. I don't know what's happened, but I hope they're okay. But I also know me hanging around probably isn't going to make them feel more comfortable. Look, they're coming. Oh my God, they're beautiful. It's okay. I love you, little guys. Alrighty, I should head inside. But I call that somewhat of a win. That's more ducks and more birds in general, but also more ducks than I had yesterday. I know, I just miss this house being full of life. But anyway, I'm sure it will just take time. So the bush turkey is already over there stealing the duck's seed. So that's more normal, I guess. And that is my son, so I gotta go. See you tomorrow.